Mount Roraima. Even its name sounds like a secret, a whisper carried on the wind. It rises from the earth like a jagged tooth, shrouded in mist and legend, standing tall and proud. Locals whisper tales of its hidden treasures and ancient guardians, stories passed down through generations. Is it just folklore? Or does Mount Roraima hold mysteries yet to be uncovered? The questions linger in the air. Join me and let's find out together. Our adventure begins now. The air grows cooler as we approach, a refreshing change that invigorates our senses. The scent of pine needles fills our lungs, crisp and clean, a reminder of nature's purity. This is a place untouched by time, a sanctuary for the soul, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. What adventures await us on these slopes? The possibilities are endless. Let's begin our journey and see what secrets we can unearth. Every step brings us closer to the heart of the mystery. The history of Mount Roraima is a tapestry woven from fact and fable, a blend of myth and reality that has intrigued explorers and historians for centuries. Some say it was once a sacred site for an ancient civilization, a place where rituals were performed to honor the gods and seek their favor. Others believe it to be a gateway to another realm, a mystical portal that connects our world to the unknown. Ancient ruins dot the lower slopes, whispering tales of forgotten rituals and lost kingdoms, their inscriptions and carvings a silent testament to a bygone era. One local legend speaks of a hidden city within the mountain, a city that has eluded discovery for generations. It is said to be filled with unimaginable riches, treasures beyond the wildest dreams of those who seek it. But beware, the legend warns, for the path to this hidden city is fraught with peril. Only those pure of heart can find the city and live to tell the tale, their journey a test of character and resolve. Is there any truth to these stories, or are they simply the echoes of a time long past, a reflection of our desire to find meaning in the unknown? The mysteries of Mount Roraima continue to captivate, leaving us to wonder what secrets lie hidden within its ancient stones and misty peaks. As we delve deeper into the enigmatic allure of Mount Roraima, another layer of intrigue emerges, one that blurs the line between the natural and the supernatural. Legend has it that Mount Roraima is inhabited by spirits. These spirits are said to be the guardians of the mountain, protecting its secrets and treasures from those who seek to exploit them. Many have reported strange occurrences and eerie sounds while exploring the mountain, attributing these phenomena to the spirits that dwell within. Faint whispers carried by the wind, ghostly apparitions in the mist, and inexplicable chills that run down the spine. All these experiences have been recounted by those brave enough to venture into the mountain's depths. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, the stories surrounding Mount Roraima add an extra layer of mystery to this already enigmatic place. These tales of spectral guardians and otherworldly phenomena captivate the imagination, making Mount Roraima not just a geographical wonder, but a realm of endless possibilities and untold secrets. So as we ponder the legends and whispers of the past, we must ask ourselves, what truly lies within the heart of Mount Roraima? Is it merely stone and earth, or something far more profound and elusive, waiting to reveal itself to those who dare to seek it? The mysteries continue to unfold, inviting us to explore, to wonder, and to dream. As we venture further into the lore of Mount Roraima, we encounter yet another captivating tale, one that speaks of shape-shifting beings such as elves and fairies. These mystical creatures are said to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them nearly impossible to spot. According to legend, these ethereal guardians protect the mountain and its secrets, only revealing themselves to those who are pure of heart. Imagine walking through the dense forests of Mount Roraima, the sunlight filtering through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the ground. You might feel a presence, a fleeting movement in the corner of your eye, but when you turn to look, there's nothing there. It's said that these shape-shifting beings can take on the form of trees, rocks, and even animals, making them indistinguishable from the natural landscape. Many have claimed to have had encounters with these elusive creatures. Some speak of hearing melodic laughter carried by the wind, while others describe finding intricate, tiny footprints in the ground that vanish without a trace. There are even stories of travelers who, upon demonstrating kindness and respect for the mountain, were granted a glimpse of these fairies and elves, their appearance as breathtaking as a dream. These legends add a touch of enchantment to the mystery of Mount Roraima. They remind us that perhaps, beyond the tangible and the seen, there exists a hidden realm, one that is intertwined with our own yet remains just out of reach. So, as we continue our journey through this enigmatic mountain, let us keep our hearts open to the possibility of encountering the guardians of the hidden realm. Who knows? Maybe one day, we too will be deemed worthy of their trust and witness the magic that lies within Mount Roraima. The mysteries of this mountain are far from over, and with each step, we uncover more layers of its enigmatic beauty. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the secrets of Mount Roraima, where every legend, every whisper, and every shadow holds the promise of discovery. Many ancient cultures believed that volcanic eruptions and geological events were the result of supernatural conflicts or actions by mountain spirits. These spirits were thought to be guardians of the hidden realm, controlling the forces of nature and maintaining the balance between the physical and spiritual worlds. The legends tell of epic battles between these spirits, causing the earth to tremble and the mountains to erupt in fiery displays of power. Imagine the ground shaking beneath your feet, the sky darkening as plumes of ash rise into the air, all while the spirits wage their unseen wars. Even today, some locals believe that the spirits of Mount Roraima continue to watch over the land, their presence felt in the rumblings of the earth and the whispers of the wind. It's said that during times of natural upheaval, if you listen closely, you can hear the echoes of their ancient battles, a reminder of the powerful forces that lie beneath the surface. These legends serve as a bridge between the past and the present, connecting us to a time when the world was seen through a lens of magic and mystery. As we stand on the slopes of Mount Roraima, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath us, we can't help but wonder about the spirits that might still dwell in the hidden realms. Perhaps they are watching us, just as they did with the ancients, guarding their secrets and maintaining the delicate balance of nature. So next time you feel the earth tremble or hear the wind whisper through the trees, remember the legends of Mount Roraima and the elemental spirits that have shaped its history. The journey through this enigmatic mountain continues, each legend adding another layer to its mystique. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment with any feedback.